Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. And today we have a question submitted by one of our awesome students, Abigail. Shout out to Abigail. Thank you so much. And this question will help other students. So let's work it out. Write the missing number in the box below. So what we have here? Okay, let me just get the pen, change it to red. Scratch this out. So you guys will see the original question. We have 8 and 2/3, so we automatically know that this is a fraction-based question, is equal to something over 3. Now, if we go back to when we were doing fractions, we said there were 3 major types of fractions. Regular fraction, proper fraction, so that's one that you guys are accustomed to, like 1 over 3. Second one would be an improper fraction where the numerator or top number is larger than the bottom number. For instance, 4 over 3. That means we have a pizza that usually has 3 slices, but we have 4 slices in the box. So we have more than one of a pizza. And the third type of fraction would be a mixed number where we have a whole number, which is 8 in this case, and we have a fraction. Now, this 8 means that we have 8 objects that are full, and in this case we have 2 over 3, which means that the denominator, or what that item was divided into, was divided into 3 equal pieces, right? I was just trying to switch the pen just now. So we could represent 2 over 3. So let's draw it. So imagine this is 3 equal slices, pardon my poor handwriting, and we have 2, so 1, 2 are shaded. This would represent 2 over 3, but we have 8 of them where all are shaded. So I'll just change the color to green. So 1, 2, 3. So this would represent 1, and then we have 1 that will be 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all looking exactly the same as this. So that means 8 of these pizzas would be filled, and each of these 8 pizzas would have 3 slices, right? So this would have 3 slices. So this would have 3 slices. This would have 3. This would have 3. So it'll be 3 over 3. 3, 3, 3, and 3. So I'll show you guys a short method because there's no way you guys are going to go in the SE exam and use this method. But if we want to find the numerator, the top number, all we do is we just add them up. So 3 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and we have this fraction, 2/3, 25, 26. So the answer will be 26 over 3. Right, that's how much slices we would have in total. Now, is that efficient for SEA? Absolutely not. That's a last resort. That's if you go to the exam and you completely blank out. Now, what method would I advise you guys to use? Well, this is something I learned a long time ago. So if we have 8 and 2 over 3, what do? Is we take the denominator 3 multiplied by 8, because we would have 8 pizzas, all having 3 slices, and then we add the 2. And we kind of go in this motion. So 3 multiplied by 8, 8 3s are 24, plus 2, which will give us 26 over 3. And if we divide 26 by 3, guess what? 3 into 26, 8 3s, right? So we'll get to 8, and then we'll have 2 remainder, so we'll get back 2 over 3. So the missing number is 26. So we could use 2 methods using logic and drawing, or we could use the mathematical method to get the answer as well. Hope this helps you guys. All right, good luck in your studies. Take care and peace.